Here in this video, I am going to show you how to create variables in the Excel file, especially when there are missing values in the data. Because when you move this data to data analysis, if there are missing values and you create a new variable, it will create a problem. So I will create an example here for this variable. So I wanted to calculate these. First variable is patent applications, and patent applications this is patent application non-residents and patent application residents. I want to create total patents and also want to divide it by population. So if I add a formula, bracket open, add those patents divided by the population variable is somewhere here, it will give me 0. Okay, so it is giving me 0 because it is considering these cells as empty. 0 divided by something is 0, but the problem will occur that when the population data is missing, it will give me this error. This means infinity, something divided by 0, because the population data is missing here. And in some cases this 0 is also wrong because data is not there. It doesn't mean missing data does not mean that it is actually 0. Missing data means that data was not collected. So 0 might also be wrong. So what I usually do here in this case is I will do if, right, and function, and this is empty equal to commas, this is empty okay, I added and for those. If both of them are empty, then my answer should be empty. Okay, but then it should be empty, and otherwise it should add these two numbers. Okay, and it will adjust the brackets. Now you will see when both are empty, it will also give an empty answer. But the problem is still the now you have the answers here. But the problem might be it still might give an error if the population data is missing and these variables are there. So I will have a look if this error is there in this column, because I have not addressed for the missing population variable. Currently there is no problem here, but if the problem that these two variables are available but the population is not a variable, it will give me infinity answer. For that, what I will do, I will do correction here, or this is empty, comma, an and function, and bracket close here for or. Or function says that if patents or population are empty, answer should be empty. And within or there is an and, that if both of the patents are empty, it should be empty. So I will add divided by, add a bracket here, extra bracket divided by population, and bracket close, enter. So when I have a look till the end, it is giving me values. It is not giving error when the population is missing. In this line, have a look, population is missing, there is no error. So this is the way you address creating new variables and panel data when you have missing values. Other fastest way is that you just import the data and create the variable within the software. It will just address the missing values automatically. Okay, so this was the tutorial for creating variables.